To set heart rate measurement to manual only on Galaxy Watch to save battery, you can do so directly from your watch setting menu and from the wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, on your phone, go to the app screen, find wearable app and then tap it. Tap watch setting, tap health. Under measurement section, tap heart rate and then select manual only. With this setting, your watch will stop tracking your heart rate automatically in the background. To measure your heart rate, open the Samsung Health on your watch. Tap the heart rate tile to manually check your heart rate whenever you want, and then tap measure to start measuring. Given to the function, switching to manual heart rate tracking helps you extend battery life and give you control over when your watch collect health data. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.